So it's I to the representative for Swat team. Him and the doctor love him and the fret them I want to them pretty girl. Him and the storm on the world, everything correct. Him and the SWAT team I want to them I to the representing. SWAT team them straight and clean boss I belong. Blah, blah.
The producer producing the rhythm.
You talk
And he
IKEA
said,
sing the music?
yes. The man end up go fuck IKEA and big up IKEA. I never meet there with the man. Was producing the rhythm, Dr. Love. The rhythm was of cartel first song was say, me want more money, money pan top of money, a city black of money, and the man say him no want her man say him no want her pan it cause she diss him. She tell him to come her out and she put him out in a middle night. You understand, Dr. Love? Me no know nothing about the man. Anybody sleep with the man is IKEA.
So IKEA take Macadam man or
IKEA take the man, Dr. Love. Me want lady and stop call up my name. Cause me no want them take away your page. Cause me got look at no man mind me forget lady and I drive by, you know. Mind lady and I forget to drive by, Dr. Love. Cause me no play with people. Me have man like Stan, Dr. Love. Eh?
Lady did come and she talk and she say she that about Maca when she said Maca sleep on her floor and your name did mention, yes.
Look here, enough I will sleep on lady and floor and I'm chicken back. And Maca Diamond there with the man, me I talk to the friend. Maca Diamond couldn't hold the man left Maca Diamond fee. Where the hairdresser name? Married, trash already married. One woman with one hairdressing salon, and Maca know that. And Maca no do nothing more than go tell lady Anne, lady sir, and Spice the whole of them say me take the man. The truth have to reveal tonight. Me can't take it no more. Me can't take it no more.
So man Macadam taking the music, so.
Me did have man like son, me never need that Macadam man.
So you know
when we married Macadam was my bridemaid. And by the time I go to New York, one other man want married me, I want her to be the bridemaid, and she say again. And Junior Ranks there a studio when one man say Queen Paula and my wife, and Junior Ranks say, but Queen Paula no married and the man drop down. Me have man like son Dr. Love, me no need Macadam man. Macadam no. So me almost 6 years, me still look good man, no stop rush me. Me no need to take Macadam man. Me need Shaman Monroe to come and clarify this.
So I want to ask you a question. Who over here? Me say Maca over here too?
Big up Black Queen, it's true. It's true, that's why Spice did not forget RT, because Spice say be a Obia them did a walk. Be a Obia them did a walk, that's why I don't run Spice to go for RT. Because Obia, Maca, Obia, everybody at Obia, let me tell you something, I love my belly. So all of my Obia money going in my belly because I love food.
This coffee a glass.
Me big up Spice anyway, should have forgot for RT. Big up Black Queen. Look here, no lady, and I don't want to tell you where you fi come do, you know. Use your mouth as a washing machine and come do me, you know. Because you don't know nothing, lady, and I call up my name. And that me I tell you, lady, and you know, contact me and ask me how it go. When me I do I take Maca man, not Macadam man. Macadam have man for nobody take.
Yeah, them me see I with man 1 and 2 man sometimes, you know, sometimes.
1 and 2 man. Macadam man must say me no start a man.
She never married. Maca never married.
Oh, where? And me know married, me no know if Macadam man married. And me say me notice, sir, you know, cause me always exercise, and me and sir exercise a back road. A greater Portmore where we live. And me I say, how come sir turn against me? So I used to come sit down all out of my house out of the bridge. And me I say, oh lady, sir just turn against me so. And then they team up against me, Dr. Love, and no song couldn't play upon the radio. And so I say, me never used to love guys, you know.
Why they never play upon the radio? But Maca said she never go over man yet.
Oh.
Maca.
Look here, no man. No song couldn't play upon the radio. And them no want me upon none of them stage shows, so I couldn't get no stage show.
Right.
So you know what me do? Me go past Tings and me trace the whole of them. Me make them know say ladies are breathing back there over Baghdad. Me make them know say Macadam fast he drop out in a predator mouth. And me did it to them.
Oh,
yeah, that's how it go, Dr. Love. Call Shaman Monroe. I want to hear No, me have to call the man name up here, you know. But want to hear which part of me and Pops did there. And
So
that
who
me
name
want to
Pops?
hear.
So who name
And
Pops?
the man named Pops. Pops don't even know if me a man or me a woman.
The Maka they breed for Pops?
No, him used to give her things and he must find a better girl, you see me? And him take up IKEA and no stop spend money on IKEA. Me was just a stage show artist. Me never used to voice enough song. Me was like a female ninja man. Me just go up on stage and nice up the crowd. You pay me, I'm going where me I go. You understand?
What?
Right now, I'm an entrepreneur.
What kind of
I'm a
business you do now?
personal caregiver.
What kind of business you do now?
I have a store. I sell men and women clothes. I have some of the same stuff that you're selling. My niece Sassy is also in the business, selling online. Right in Jamaica. And I was in Texas working, healthcare provider. I'm going to send you the certificate. I'm a personal health. So I left it and give them peacefully. And I said, Dr. Love, me here, lady, and I beat me, say me there with her man. And I said, oh, McAfee said that. That means all along that she did tell Spice and saw them. So you don't know what happened now. Karma catch her ass out there, excuse me language. Karma catch her, then turn back on her and them did give to her. I laugh when me see the karma reach her. Because the same thing then with Black Queen there. Call Black Queen for me there. Call Black Queen. Because here Black Queen say, she obeyed me and they told her to stop my source of income. Now, Dr. Love, if you want to get me out of the business, you know, fling me out of the business, we are going to stop my source of income. That means that me and my picnic for suffer. All this stuff for me. That means me and my picnic for suffer. Me not fi have nothing. No, that them I say. And that them I say, Sierra. Go brush your teeth. Go brush your teeth. Which part of me take your man? Eh? When me take your man, Sierra? You chat too much. You chat too much. The man left you for IKEA. And the man carry the money go spend for IKEA. Top tell lie for me, Macadai man. Top tell lie for me. And you Miss Lady Ann. You Miss Lady Ann, start out your thing before you call up my name. Start out your thing before you call up my name. Me not pretty up no ear and me not put on no filter. Me I come see him where I saw me stay. Me almost 60. And me still look good Macadai man, Charmin Monroe. Man still looking me.
Maka how much?
Me don't know her age, you know, just look on her and guess how old she is. Because me don't know her age. Because if she don't have nothing good to say about me.
So what women don't understand? The unity and why she said she never go out, because it sounds like a Maka over you. Because why Maka said she never go out over man yet, she not believe in her over. So, no, me just say.
Me want she come on the line. Me want she come on the line because when me and her go to the Obia woman in Spanish town, the Obia woman they don't hurt people, the Obia woman they don't go give people bath. You understand? They don't go give people bath.
Hold on there. Stick up in there. Stick up in. So you are saying you and Macadam and go at the Obia woman in Spanish town.
Yes, but that the woman they never work Obia, that the woman they go give you one bath and we go home. So you get the bath and wash off.
When get the bath for? When Maca go there get the bath. Lady and see a light. She said the page and see a light.
She said stinting. She said stinting there on her, so she want wash off. Me no remember go nowhere else. So me want know which part she go over me after that. I stop my source of income. And me want her to come tell the whole world which one her man me there with. Because me want Mama Star. No, say me never there with Maca Diamond man. Eh?
Lady and say Maca Diamond say, are you carry her go at the Obia man? At the Obia woman. You
understand? Me carry her go with Obia woman. I want wash mother woman in a Spanish town where everybody know. Where she go get her wash off. Me no know about the one where she go tie me. So me want Black Queen come tell me which part she go tie me and stop my source of income. And me want she tell Spice and Mama Sa which one her man me sleep with. Because the man left her for IKEA and big up IKEA. The whole world know that.
Me say IKEA with me, yes, one man did spend more money on IKEA, but me never know.
I did Maca Diamond man can look like IKEA pussy did better. You understand? Top tell lie promise them me take your man, cause me don't take your man. You know say me not take your man. And you disrespect the man And the man said no want to pan and read him.
I won't name Patrick.
Yeah, Patrick and man fight, yes. Him and man fight over me, Dr. Love. That was the husband, my husband. Him not tap fight with man. Me have man like son, so me not need Macadam man husband. Me don't need Macadam man husband. No, which husband? Not a ring. Me no need Macadam man. The amount of man want me and want me to marry me. Me no need Macadam man pops. The man left her for 1 year just and he marry trash already. And then he left her for IKEA. I was only producing the rhythm. I put Sizzler on the rhythm. I put Cartel on the rhythm. I put Merciless on the rhythm. A lot of people I put on the rhythm. The man said him don't want her on the rhythm because she disrespect him and tell her if he come do what to him. And she not get part the rhythm. Dr. Love, the girl that carry a belly for me. The girl tell everybody how me take her man. You hear what lady and say? Say me do something wicked to Macadam, me take Macadam man and me shouldn't. Me can't sit down and tolerate that, Dr. Love.
No, you
can't take that.
Man. You never tolerate that, man. Me not tolerate
when she knows that the friend like me and the friend buy me car and the friend do everything. So through the man left her, she want me if he left the friend. And me say me not leaving the friend. So through me not leave the friend and me stay there. So she run and she and Sa and Spice team up against me, you see. And especially Mama Sa she, cause she clash with Sa and Sting. And Sa tell her say she writes and give her to kill Queen Paula and she forget it. You hear me? You see, if Sa know what me know, she turn in a church. You hear, Sa? You're in a Ras church. Not a so a karma reach them. Then if you fling it back on them, can be over them fling pan people. So yeah, we need an RT.
So Sa go over man too?
Eh? You never hear Black Queen say. She says, Sa tell her to obey Queen Paula and stop her source of income. So the three of them team up on me, Dr. Love. So me leave it, give them. Me was a stage show artist. And then after she team up with them, Dr. Love, them go a Sunshine show. And she go up on the show, go say, me a SpongeBob. I want to big fat SpongeBob, because you know me love food. So me big and fat. So me say, if me a SpongeBob, you are come be a false teeth, you're weird. You wrong me, Dr. Love. I saw the war start, Dr. Love.
But me
see him so it start.
But me yes a Sunshine in there with one of them. So me yes.
So why should never tell Lady Answer I can't take the man? Me need Macadam to come here, Shaman Monroe come and defend this. Cause me can't take it no more.
Me not think she ever come because she's on tour. She's touring.
Look here no man. Me almost 60, I'm not afraid to tell nobody. I mean I put on no filter now. This is me, the real me. Me no need to take none of I don't want to talk when me not to talk, you know.
No, man,
me no want nothing. Me no want nothing. We're going to Macadam and coming at me. I see him so she go call one man and tell the man, woman, how much me there with the man. She don't know me ear back. Is a popular selector. She call the man, tell the man how much me there with him woman. The man, woman, is, let me tell you something. She's a sneaking, mischieving. Look at her, man. She is sneaking. She go around and make a lot of mischief. I want her to come on the line. She make a lot of mischief and pretend like she's innocent. I mean, want she dep on tour and come talk tomorrow morning.
You hear? She dep on tour. She there Brooklyn. She there Brooklyn now and Queens. I don't know.
I want she come on now. I want she come on now and tell them which me don't want to be bad. I want people understand.
One of them are your baby father.
No wrong if you get jacket and full suit. Nobody not hide nothing. You understand? So
you get the jacket.
Me not see nobody jacket. That's what the rumor when them spread. Me hear the rumor, Dr. Love. Macadam and walk around and talk a bag of shit. Yeah, me I tell you. And talk about me.
Maca Pitney.
Me don't know who she give you a jacket to come here. Say Spice have jacket. Everybody have jacket.
Oh Jesus. Oh Jesus. Oh Jesus.
So if you don't want to mix up here, they mix up here. So I want she come talk which part of Pops me did there with, come here call all him name. Cause me can't like the friend can't like me, and me like the friend and they with fear man.
So
And why should not tell?
So Predator. So who did Maka alone did they with Predator?
Me no want nothing where Maka have.
So no me say Predator. I she alone did they with Predator?
Me no know one who there with Predator. Me know say she did there with Predator and her fast seat drop out in a Predator mouth. Me no know more. Me no know nothing more. True. She called one man wife and tell the man say Queen Paula there with her husband.
Well, lad, so Maka fast feet drop out in a Predator mouth.
Me no know answer.
Drop out? Maybe I don't drop it.
Here, 20 Mataran they say me there with. Here, Maka Diamond spread their rumor there. 20 Mataran don't even know if me a woman or if me a man. Me want she come talk. Which part of Pops me did there with? Me tired for hear lady and I say me there with Pops. Now me I hear Tony Mataran name. You hear me I tell you? Yeah. And me want to know why she never tell him say I care take care her man.
Yes, me know I care.
Why she never tell him say I care him spend the money pan? Why them not stop tell lie pan me? Me tired right now. I want mother woman she go and never want obey woman and then get bad. So me want to know which part lady start send her to mash me up and stop my source of income. So, me want she come talk. Me want Black Queen come talk.
Lady start send her there.
Then you never hear lady start say she write lyrics gear up and sting for mash me up.
Yes,
but more you want hear. You know she says a team.
I never afraid.
No, me make lady start breathing back there Baghdad. Me don't know what the whole of them did come a war with me for. But it's because of what she tell them under the quiet. She tell them, say, you old lady and say, Queen Paula wicked. Queen Paula take when Maka Diamond man. When me hear it to them, I couldn't bear it no more. Me say, I can't take the lie no more.
This is serious. Me not see Maka.
And she have a money man, and Queen Paula take with the money man. And the money man friend did like me. Want Lady Saw and Spice. And Lady Ann to know that is I care take away Maka Diamond money man. It's not me. I didn't take away Maka Diamond money man, and Maka knows I care take away her man, and she need to stop tell lie on me. Jesus she need to stop tell lie on me. She run out the man out of the house because she run out the man one night out of her house because the man did in her house. The man did have to go sleep around at my sister's house the night at Waterford. And she war with the man said, don't want her on the rhythm. And I was running the program. Oh. And the man said, don't put her on the rhythm. So she wanted me was to drop everything and run with her, so I didn't do it. I stayed and run the program. The man friend like me. The man picked up IKEA, let I speak properly, and produced IKEA and spend a lot of money on IKEA. So when Lady Anna go talk about man spend money on me and then Maka Diamond boss and then the man left me after Maka Diamond boss. Lady Ann, me and Maka Diamond man never there. Me not take up nothing where Maka Diamond put on. Me not want Spotlight. Me not want General P. Me not want Predator. Me not want Cabra. Me not want none of your man them Maka Diamond.
So
me have man like Stan. Me have man like Stan and Maka Diamond man is not one.
Hold on there, my friend. Hold on. Call them name there again. Call back them name there again. Cause something not smell right. Call back them name there again. Me just ask.
You understand? Me need you fit tag Maka Diamond because some things when me hear lady and say Black Queen say.
But hold on there. Them man know you call away. All of them name they call and me say they were terrible fabulous too. True?
Then you know, me tell you say me did have man like San, so when me hide about. Me not need none of Maka Diamond man. When me marry the amount of man who married me. Me never need Maka Diamond man.
But
me need Maka Diamond to come and tell them say me never there with Pops. I years me I hear about it, Dr. Love, and I try to keep quiet.
But all of them the man that we call a while ago, all of them mash up right now where you say Maka Diamond did there with. All of them, me not see nothing going for them. What happened?
All the money man must be mash up too. Him did have IKEA, me not sleep with and need her to let them know I wasn't sleeping with Pop.
You think Obia down there? Obia down there.
Dr. Love, let me tell you something. You see them hype on a chat about Spice. You see when them done with me, not even drawers me did have. When them done with me, not even shoes. Them pop me right down, right through. All my mother dead. And me bury my mother and I never call nobody and I never beg them $1. The Obia rinse me out. The Obia rinse me see music and me no feel for the music no more. Me hate music.
Jesus, that's a
matter wicked. And the grace of God, eh?
That's a matter wicked.
And the grace of God make me still standing. And the thing is, I love music. I love Lady Saw. I love Spice. I love Charmaine. I love Lady Anne. I'm a jack of all trade. I was only in the music for money. I love money. If I see I'm not getting any show, me gonna all have foreign gonna work, Dr. Love.
Right.
Yes.
And
so me wasn't in the music for run out nobody and go Obia nobody and push out nobody. You understand? Queen Paula wasn't in the music to push out anybody. When they all team up on me and sting, they couldn't believe that they had a hit song. Baby, you really done already? And me still go up and sting and kill everybody. And when me I kill people, me I kill everybody. When me I Spice we clash, Spice run.
Oh, sure.
Spice said, no, me not clash, me run. So them could have did just go me and run me out of the music. But when Black Queen I go say, them stop me source of income. Let me tell you something, Black Queen not tell no lie. Them people are dangerous.
Black Queen there now. I wear Black Queen there.
Then she not tell no lie. Let me tell you, no, so she not tell no lie. Cause all of what she say happen for true. Source of income stop. No money, no food. Me hate music. And then here what happen now. Oh no, my enemy catch me, you know. I never saw catch me nor Spice catch me. I'm own a blood. Excuse my language. I'm own a friend when we a name out of one pot.
Then I would
own a friend. Own a friend. Yes, we go a lady and house and when I'm chicken back and sleep on lady and floor. And them should never say nothing against them two girls there. You hear me I tell you? They are snake on the grass, they are sneaking, they make mischief. Somebody told Lady Anne that I sleep with that man. Otherwise, Lady Anne wouldn't be saying it. And when me vex with Lady Anne both, when me and her go war now, me sorry for I hope she ready for the war. She should have contacted me and asked me for first before she come on social media and bash me like that, Lady, and you shouldn't bash me like that. And right now, me don't even know if you're going to get spear. Me not spare you.
Jesus.
And when you agree and not up like Mr. Man Locks, me not spare you. Because I don't want to call no name.
Jesus, God Almighty. So you think your Maka can be friend again?
Right now, Dr. Love, every artist will stay far from artists. No artist no wants to no artist prosper. Because kill me dead of that she go tell Sa and Spice. Make them did a war me too. No more than she go tell, I never know. She go tell them say me take away her man. Because in our ear salon around 15 years ago, 10 years ago, and I hear somebody say it. And I say, no man. One woman when you Phyllis said she see Maca Diamond up a one Obia man a Stony Hill. So I must go look about myself. I say, no man. If Maca Diamond there one Obia man a Stony Hill, I must herself shall look about a care me.
So Maca say never go Obia, they never go Obia man.
You hear me I tell you? You hear me I tell you? Me tell you about the mother woman when we go and we get to about a Spanish town. No about no Obia woman. She's a mother woman. She the right a Spanish town. The next thing, IKEA still alive, ask her. Marie Cash already still alive, ask them. And them take Maca Diamond man. Me not take Maca Diamond man.
But me notice something. I wonder if Maca, me say Maca over IKEA. Me don't know what it is. Cause me don't know what I go with IKEA.
When somebody I go over me, doctor, I waste them time. Waste them time. I'm an entrepreneur. I'm jack of all trade. Me no think say me if you spend millions of dollars in a music. If you don't like my song, I'm in a play, me gamble my business. Me, I waste your time when you're over me. And right now, if you put me on a stage show, me kill everybody again, like how me coming for Lady Anne. You hear me tell you? Me kill every, no man the way me hear Lady Anne bash me. Or me take Maca Diamond man and chew Maca Diamond boss, the man left me, and Queen Paula should not do that. Lady Anne is IKEA take the man. IKEA take the man, Lady Anne, not me.
She a blame
Me in a piece of house when I try safe so they not take away from me. And me have a little piece of ride when me don't pay for Lady Anne. Me not fit there with no man, forget nothing. Maca Diamond came to my wedding, she was me sinting another maid, me don't know when you for foolishness.
I agree because boy, I never know.
Because ask Lady Anne where she get those news from. Ask her.
You think I'm Maca?
Ask her, call me with me can't take off from my head. Because I'm no filter, nothing. Nothing, me not pretty up, nothing. Everybody see me say me look good for me age. Everybody say me look good for me age. Me no go on no diet, me no go on no fruits, me have my chicken, me have everything same way. Me just trust Father God. And everybody say me look good same way. Same way.
No,
me just come in.
You look
Me
good,
just come in, Dr. Love. Me go a road and me do me selling and me just come in. I wasting time over me and pack me down because me was an artist where from me do me stage show and you pay me. Me's a ninja man. A female ninja man. Me gone about my business. And if you want me clash somebody, can me clash Lisa Hype and me kill her off a St. Thomas. And me, first call Lisa Hype, Lisa Swiper. Me kill her off a St. Thomas and collect my money from Bright Light.
Bright Light,
yes.
Me know Bright Light. Them,
yes.
Me know Bright Light.
You understand? And she walk and she slaughter me the amount of things me hear that girl say about me. And me hear Lady Anne say when she boss, the man left me and she would never take her friend man. And me should never that and me wicked to Maca. When Lady Anne see me in studio, of course me because she and Spice and Sar team up and them a call me SpongeBob. And me I tell Lady Anne oh she go me be a fast she wear and oh me go kill her as thing. But me never did know if it calm down. I'm very ignorant. I have me a Gemini like Bunty. So me don't know if it explain myself. Because right there and then me would tell Lady Anne say no me take her man, I'm just running the producing part for them.
Yeah,
the rhythm name.
They might blame you if you take a man, and I know you take the man.
Me not take the man, Dr. Lover, the man friend like me. The friend man would have spend everything for me, eh?
That time is a young girl take the man.
Me say, when me married a Maca Diamond come at the wedding, as bridesmaid, Dr. Love asked her. The time we go to New York, I have a man that say, man married me before me come down. And he want Maca be the bridesmaid. And Maca say, again?
But
me
Maca,
not have problem with man.
But Maca engaged now. Maca engaged right now. Me yes, she engaged.
Me not have problem with man. Well, we see. Me not have problem with man. I'm old Macana. And up to the last minute, I was giving views on her songs. And you know, whenever she put out her songs, I would give views on it for her to get, you know, her views. Right. Me don't know what they call it. And when me hear Black Queen, me just black her. Can me say enough is enough. Enough is enough.
Boy,
you can't around somebody that do you so. And then when me hear old lady and say Queen Paula wicked because Queen Paula take her man and then now she boss and the man left Queen Paula. The man don't know if me a man or a woman, the man named Pops. And him did have IKEA. And when the man left Maca, him there with the hairdresser Waterford named Mary Trash and Ready. Right, and Maca knows they married the man there with. And then the man must be there with IKEA. Me no know nothing about Maca man them. Me not take Spotlight. Me not take none of Maca Diamond man them.
Spotlight, but she left Spotlight and Spotlight mash up.
Yeah. You hear me tell you, Dr. Love? I'm not afraid. Me not hide my age. I'm a big grown woman. Me love Trace. Me love Trace. Me Trace from now till I'm man. You understand? Because I will give to Lady and now miss it. Because Lady and come on internet and disgrace me. And she not call me and ask me where I going first. You understand? Right. She not call me and ask me where I going first. Right? She come and she disgrace me on internet. I'm really upset when me hear me shame. And then you know what happened? Other people are going to see it. I say, I take Queen Paula, take the Maca Diamond man, and one bag of something.
Yeah, me not like that.
Me go to school. Me go to school, train all over. Me do all kind of, all right. You know, so one day me I watch Dr. Love. And me see I show the entertainer them how to survive.
Right.
Yeah, show them how to take up iron and sell iron. Yeah, show them how to survive. And when me see it, I say, Dr. Love smart, you know. Because when COVID come, it not going to mash you up. Because you know how to survive. You understand? No, that's me. I know to survive. I'm not going to run behind Maca Diamond. I'm not going to run behind any artist. No artist not going to say me I sleep down them chair and I still a run behind them. No artist not going to say me now see up them bathroom and then kitchen and me still run behind them.
So
me
hold
run
on,
back
hold
and
on,
people me
so you said, so Maca not see up somebody bathroom?
No. She not going to say me come her yard, come now see up her bathroom and sleep down her couch. Like what she said about other artists. You understand? I don't run behind people before some run all taxi. But the car have to be my own car, although me not go run that. Anything me entrepreneur store, me there. Healthcare provider working at, yes, I'm there. And if it come to the test for me DJ right now, me ready. Me ready right now.
Well, you know me I go do? You know me I go do? Me I go cut it right there, so. Because somebody text me and tell me say, Maca come in. Me say Maca come, somebody just text me and say Maca come in. So me I go cut it right there, so. And me I go save, me I go make she send me request and then me I go tell her to add back. Yeah.
Yes.
All right. May I make it add back? All right. And tell me say Maca come. So me say Maca come. Send me Tanya. Where's Tanya? Where's Tanya? Where Tanya there? Tanya send me a request, Tanya. Why this is then people? Me say then a smart man Maca take. A smart man Maca take. Predator, merciless. This as well on there. What Tanya? Me add Tanya. No, me add Tanya. Why this? I can't take it. Me add Tanya. Tanya accept the request. I can't take it. I can't take it. Tanya, what's up? Tanya, we are still up in the ceiling. Now we can't see your face. How?
Wait there. Me so wait there. Me just said, I'm here.
Oh, what, Tanya? Lad, Tanya, what's going on, Tanya?
My day, Dr. Love, my day.
Tanya, you know, so this is Talk Truth Tuesday, right? Panya, so we talk nothing but the truth to help me, God. And it's between social media and so forth. Me hear one bag of something I go on with you. You go Ampus. And I kind of sit and go on England back and forth. So, me want to hear the truth. Yes. Me don't really love people business, but me want to hear what I go on.
You want to hear the truth and nothing
but the truth. What I go on. But we can't see your face, Tanya. How you hide the face, or what?
Wait there, me so show my face, wait there.
Yes. Me want to confess.
Me don't know Dr. Love. Eh? The phone a echo.
Hold on. My phone
a echo.
My phone a echo. Yes, we see you now. Yes, Tanya in your house. We see in your house. Yes, we see in your own house. Yeah, hear we?
It's the phone sound weird. Me go come back. Me I send another request.
Yes, people. Yes, so nice. Yes, so nice. People, listen. Everybody that send a request, me I wait. Me as a Maca go send a request. Me no know who it is. Me as a Maca go come in. Then some people. Then Maca Diamond session never go over. No, seriously. Me not against Maca. So Maca Diamond session never go over man friendship on it. Hold on. Tanya, me add back Tanya. Me want to hear what go on. Me want to hear what go on. Yes, Tanya, you hear now?
Yeah, me I hear you now.
So I want to push a friend.
Big up yourself, Sean. Wayne, big up yourself. Listen, me meet push on the internet, right? Me and push on a friend in a real life. We're like associate, you know. She used to be on her live and we go up on it and big up yourself, Fred. Then we share numbers and we start talk on the phone. Like, me and her talk like about 2.5 years and she never really knew about my family. because I am a type of person, I am very private. And
Right.
me never tell her nothing about my brother in a prison or nobody in my family. I don't discuss. Big up yourself,
Right.
Sasha. So it happened that one day me there on the phone, I talk to her. My brother ring the house phone and he ask me to do something for him. And him say, I owe that, and she said, I owe that. I said, my brother.
Yeah.
And she said, when him there? I said, him there in prison. You know, and she said, so you not tell me say your brother in prison. So I said, that's not your business, that's my business. Because that's the love that truth. Me ever even tell you, at 7 years now, I'm in your group. You didn't know some ever brother in prison for murder?
No, I never know.
Not even fret them, no. And same time, my brother said to me, say, I would have to me say, oh, look, I'm a local friend. And he said, give me our number. I said, no, I can't give you our number like that. And she said, must give the number. Dr. Love, me give her the number at first. The way open squad, oh, me don't want no man, me a gangster, this and that. So me I say, me turn to her, you know, me say, post, my brother is very mischievous, you know. So if him come to you with a mischievous things, don't listen to him. And she say, you're mad, never would do that.
Right.
Until it say, going on to a week to 2 weeks, the woman personality change, she start to interfere in my family business. Like she asks me some things and I like she say, oh, Christopher tell you go say when you go Jamaica you bring 6 suitcases for man. Bear in mind, me live with my beer father, me and my beer father there for 15 years.
Right.
So me not cheat for my beer father. Me and my beer father and my kids them go Jamaica and me and him pack with suitcase. My best friend, me carry down 6 suitcases to my best friend.
Yeah.
So me never bring down no suitcase for no man. So me as suppose what kind of argument that? Cause you know do me tell her how the woman wicked. She know about the suitcase, you know. Can me tell her, you know. Me say me I carry down 6 suitcases for my friend and she pay me. So it's not like she don't know. So when she hear you got talk about it, she say, what do no man Tanya bring them down for? No Tanya running. She join with the wickedness for me, you know, and start to come. So me want me borrow 36,000 for my brother. When me and him go off. And me run out of money and him lend me. So my brother tell you go now. You go tell she no hear her. And you borrow 30-something thousand for your brother. Because you go Jamaica like you're a rich kid. Because I go Jamaica. I'm get a villa for me and my kids them for 1 week, 7 days. And I carry puss son. I carry puss son. Pan. Nah, I see the comment them, you know. Anyway.
Right.
I carry people, I nah see the comments. So when I call to me, I nah see it.
Right.
Remember, I know I go Jamaica, you know. And when me there at Jamaica, the day when every day she call me. Every day she call me and me and I would talk about like 10 minutes or 20 minutes or so. So the day now when me I got watch, you know, she call me phone and she said to me, say, me and I did that talk and I said, Puss, me gonna get ready car. You know, me order a villa for 7 days and whatever. She said, yeah, I can't come. Me never itch. Come not gonna lie. Dr. Love, me did like her.
Right.
So I said nothing that cause her son get deported to Jamaica. So same time she started to me, say, Tanya, I want to ask you something, you know, I want to ask you your mother. I say, what? She said she had tried to get her son for go to Germany, but him and the people them up at Bayshore, Harborview, can't agree because when them just deport him burgle how much people shop and house because him think England this way.
So when them deport him from England, when do I England?
Him have 350 conviction. Him have assault, him have robbery, him have everything, every type of conviction him have.
Damn.
So that when they get down to that point there, so she said, you know, so them always are beat him because when him go down there, them broke him and them chop him up and them stab him up. Because and the reason why they not kill him, post baby father when he Doogie, him have name, you know, him was bad man as a Bayshore Harborview. So the people them rate him out there. So them things say are the Doogie son, but Omar kind of Doogie son, you know. Doogie Omar father dead pan top of puss. Omi. Dead pan top of her when she 9 months pregnant with
Hold
Omar.
on. What you mean? The man dead on top of her means in dead.
Gunman kick off because them time they Jati they just dead, right? So Maxfield and Tivoli man a war. And Omi come from Maxfield. Omi come from Tivoli that a puss baby father. And puss live at Maxfield. So what happened now? Omi used to thief and hide and come and their own puss. The way the woman mouth light and the woman knows say where I go on. The woman a walk and I tell people say the baby father dead at night time and whatever. So one night now, when time she dead now, right on top of her, start on her life, she said she and him have sex. And the man them kick out the door and kill him right on top of her.
And they never kill her?
And that everybody I say is a setup. Cause you know say when gunman come and she see the face of the gunman them and she know them. So what happened now, she have to run from Maxfield, so she end up away name. So she end up at Bayshore Harborview and then same night she go live at Bayshore Harborview with her big blood clot belly. She meet Dougie. Dougie was about 17, 18 and she a bigger woman for Dougie.
Yeah.
So she see Dougie and Dougie start talk to her. And me hear say the same night she go fuck Dougie pan her big belly with Omar. Yeah, she go fuck Dougie pan her belly.
With pregnant belly?
9 months. 9 months belly. And then she and Dougie start there. So me and my mother now say the next day, my police cousin call him drive go down there, was one other car when I rent. So me say, him ask me, say, I who for car out there upon the driveway. Me say, I'm a police cousin and you cannot, me say you cannot get it. Where you want but the car, I say, I want to go buy some weed. I want to drive down the road and say nobody will know what weed sell. And I said, no, you can't drive it because he's a policeman and him have him firearm in him car. You understand? So you can't drive him car. Him car is registered to him and them know.
Right.
So it's a police vehicle. So if them stop you, him can't talk good enough. Him talk him stutter. Him have a brains of an 8-year-old.
Yeah.
And at the time, him was 23, 24 years old. So, me tell him, say, can't get the car. Say, I know, so the Saturday night now, everybody gone at them bed, because me and rallying and the two little one them in the other room and the big master room, I put the girls them like Amanda, me they bring two little girls, two other little girl where growing in the community where me know them mother, where me and them mother was friend and, you know, we come have kids together with same age group. So, you know what I'm going to the room the night my mother asleep. And my mother wait near if
No, Tanya, don't read the comment. Tanya, don't read the comment.
Anyway, I'm not telephone. Yes, don't go so now boom now. And him go so now. Going to my mother room, you know. My mother room I say, what more? Yeah, what man? Him say, I can't keep me I look for. The man, because my mother in the bed asleep, you know. And my mother turned to him and say, no, you can't drive the man car. My mother tell him the same thing when me tell him. So the next morning, my mother said to me, say, you know, say, oh, man, come in the room for me and Titus, but Titus still asleep. And I search around the room and look for the car key. Because the car key was normally there on the dining room table. But my mother said, she take it up, she say, I feeling just say, let me take up the key and carry it in the room. I look like him see when my mother take up the key.
Yeah.
We know. We got danger. We say we are got danger. Say him never want to come, you know. But me say me now left him in the people them villa. Plus me have me heap of money. Me have me heap of money for me. And the things and him a thief. So me I say, now leave him in the house by himself. So
that a thief.
That a post son where she sent
come
from my holiday. Yeah. So my boom now the whole that we got watch it out. Him say, nah, go him nah. She say, our son come with 1 million Jamaican dollar plus 5,000 pounds and 4,000 US. Then if your son he come on my yard with so much money, how him name down my grocery when me buy? How me pay people going a blood clot wait name? The Dunge River. So him said to me, say, him no want go in the water. So I say, okay, one security guard there and my cousin and him knapsack bag, yeah, with him police rifle and him wait him car key. Remember, we don't tell him say no. You cannot drive this car. This car is a police car.
Yeah.
We spend about 3 or 4 hours. I mean, now like we climb there. Those were the way up on the top. And then when we come down, we go in the sea, go there, they swim. So about 3-4 hours. And we look, I will ask the security guard, can they bring liquor? So security there that drink the liquor them we will bring. And them say, wait, what my brother there? I say, what my brother there? And him say, him left long time now. So we go so boom now, me go so now and call him on the phone. Them time them drive out the man car, you know, and have the man car in a Orchard town all boat, you know. Right? After we don't tell him say him cannot drive the car.
Yeah.
When we reach, him say, auntie, me there, mama there with the car park. So I say, all right then, we are walk come up then. You know, it take us a while from the bottom to come up all the way up to where the car park there. But now, like, it take probably about half an hour. God know. But worse, we have the kids, them I log with, so it take way a time. So, my cousin, brother, him live at Ochi. So, him have a big 7-seater. So, him come, him car we go with my cousin car, and him come back for it. When we reach, because me driving in my cousin car with my mother, I think 2 of the kids them, can't remember. And then the rest of them going at the other car. Tap off and sister house and we reach home and start cook. Anyway, when everybody are coming, you know, me hear big cussing and war, me hear Omaka say, him a go kick the little girl them and them pussy. Can remember say him mad, you know.
Yeah. That a post
son. I'm say, you can't say that, Omar. You can't say you go kick. You can't say you go kick the people them pit the plus my blood clot, girl pit them. Me have to drink little water. Anyway, I calm him down because, you know, he's a peacemaker, you know. No matter what nobody wants to say, you know. You see, if me can bypass certain things, I will try my utterly best. So, now, I talk to him, I call him mother on the phone, and I say, Post, what kind of thing this? Oh, you know, say your son have that behavior problem, yeah. God them time they know me no know me all hear things. But you know
you talk about the thief in behavior.
Yes. Okay. Plus him other behavior and mentalness.
Oh, and so him mental.
Yes, and him very aggressive. Very, very. So me I said to her, say, Pussy you know Mark here, why you introduce Mark for come from holiday. So me start to feel very uncomfortable because we are threatening my daughter plus the other look picking them and me never want why I'm gonna kick out them all or whatever. Anyway, now me just say me talk to her. She the on speaker talk to him in my class her when I go on and me I say class what this me book myself in you. But me say you know me just you know deal with him calm cause the fire no agree. So you have to just use water for cool on fire. So bam now the night now the next day now, Rallying said to me, say, Tanya, them time they know, even at the pool with the kids, them you know, with the young little girl, them you know.
Yeah.
You know, I know from go them, I never go into the pool. But I said to Rallying, say, through the 3 little bit one them, I said, go and go sit down and watch them because you don't know one little slip, Manda, and them want enjoy the pool. So Rallying sit down at the pool side and watch the other 3 little baby them. I know Raleigh not going to the pool. So Amanda never tell me what happened. Same they feel up the 14-year-old. I feel up the little girl, you know. In the pool, you know.
Hold on. So poor son, I feel up the 14-year-old girl in the pool.
Yes, I feel up. I feel up the 14-year-old and I say, I put argument to her. Amanda see it. Amanda turn to him and say, Omar, do you know how old she is? And him said, 18. Amanda said, no, she's 14 years old. And him said, me never know. But when you look on them, look up in the sister, them young. As me said, me and my daughter never discussed it yet. You don't know what Omar do. Omar and rallying outside a bun of weed. So him know what him do, you know. Him turn to rallying, him mischief making a wicked just like his mother. Him turn round to rallying that my baby father say. Oh, the little girl them say, my baby father touch them up in the pool. Me say, rallying that, no, but you never in the pool. And why would Omar say that? So me get mad, the blood clot, morning and go upstairs and wake up the pit them. And I say, listen, I want to hear what go on. So I saw them know the little kids them are taught, and I tell me, say, he was the one was feeling them up in one him feel up, coming now exaggerate and tell no lie. He was feeling up the little girl, and my daughter come now, my big daughter said, Mom, I just never want to upset you. I was going to wait and tell you after. And the little girl, when touch, little girl same squeeze up her breast and make you very uncomfortable. Remember, you know, me take the people them pick me, you know, out of them house, you know, and make man come touch them up, you know. Right? So me call puss again and one Peter mix up. And him depon me not lie, him depon him sorry, and him start cussing mother and say, oh, him mother wicked, and why mother dream and this and that and that. Anyway, I turn to Puss and say, Puss, I'm sorry, you know, I can't care. Oh my God, Jamaica, and I say, when me come from a Jamaica, a jungle justice them do. If him go burgle the people, them Oscars, I'm talking, going back downstairs or in the room. I said to her, say, if him go burgle, nobody else support more, them I go kill him.
Right.
Them I go give him, I saw them deal with teeth, chop them up, mince them up. So I say, I cannot bring Omar go over there and nothing go do Omar and then Puss go say and me set it up. I leave my holiday before time because the kids there were cry, everybody was so uncomfortable. All right then. So I go back to how me introduce her to my brother.
Yeah, tell me about the brother. Pa.
As me talk a million times, Puss said she don't want a man. He and Yuga was just pen pal. You know, just run joke and whatever.
While him there in jail, I wouldn't come out of jail.
He was in jail. He was in jail.
Me introduced when in there jail.
Yes, me introduced Puss to my brother in 2019. Right? I was in birthday, they just gone and in born June. And she know start question me and say, what kind of woman your brother like? I say, Puss, me not lie no. Me gonna be honest with you. Him woman them have to be a size 6 or 7. Yeah, little. And them have to be either white or mixed breed. You know, there with no other nation. So Metro tell her like so me not tell her, you know. But yeah. She said she don't want a man. So me I say, like, well, you don't want a man. Yeah, they might just whatever. But then the woman start to dig in my family business and ask me some uncomfortable question. And me I try to tell her, I say, Post, if you like Hugo and you want to be with Hugo, so let it be. You don't have to get involved in a Hugo family affair. You understand me? Keep on tell her, you know what she do? One night, no, me and Rallying there lay down. I'm pregnant, you know. Me and Rallying be for the lay down. Puss call me. So me and her they talk. She just put her on you because even though them in their prison, you know you can't smuggle phone.
Right.
Phone. So me and her they talk good. And me hear my brother just coming from the car. But it's a plan where she plan car, so she stay. She will call you and say, come for my life, come rub that person. Yeah. And she tell the person everything about you. So when they go up on the life, the person rub you and she call you come cross the person, you know.
Oh.
Anyway, me and my brother push up on the tree we laugh and talk. I like it like, you know, when you have gas, like, do what you don't know, you go, where you up to? And my brother does change and say, are you Tanya? We go to Jamaica, go fuck on the baby in your belly and Rallying baby. Remember say Rallying me baby for the right side of me, you know. I'm turn to him and I say, you go rallying is right. I say, no, you cannot, him know rallying there, can't hear rally. Me not give a fuck on all, and me no response to the truth, me a talk. I was so upset and Puss laugh, you know. And I say, Puss, do you think that is funny? This is not funny. Oh, you go, what kind of nasty things that you have come to me about? You don't know your sister as a Lego beast, but then me be a father for 15 years. Dr. Love, you know me for 7 years, and the one man you know me have. So now, me get mad and me rings him out wicked and hang up the phone. And I know the next day I'm going to college and him call the house phone. And Rallying answer the house phone. My brother tell my baby father, oh my God, Jamaica 6 suitcase for man. Oh my buy car for man. Oh the baby in my belly and for Rallying. So Rallying turned to him and say, you go. Stop the foolishness, man. Stop it. What you say? Because me and Tanya go Jamaica, we not left each other's sight. So when me could have go fuck and Rallying, because on top of that, me catch a belly the March of 2019, and me go Jamaica 2018 December, come back, me go the 5th of December, I'm come back the 9th of January. I'm never pregnant for them other 2 months there. So, you understand, say, if you check it, Dr. Love, I could go to Jamaica, go fuck and bring out the belly. Rallying say me here Puss upon the line to a laugh. Rallying put him in a place, hang up. When I come home, Rallying tell me, call her and I say, Puss, where you really depend? Where you talk about? I say, you never depend the phone today when you go call and I tell Rallying say, the baby what carry is not Rallying on top of it. Oh, me bring 6 suitcases, man. How that him do? Me go call him. She knew already. She was there.
Right.
And from that, Dr. Love, her peer problem every minute. My mother call me. You got cuss. My mother, him a left message from my phone. Let me tell her what she said. Me, grass up, you go to the governor. I know me no grass up, you go to the governor, you know. You go a call and abuse me and my mother because she put him up to it. Right? And the last time him contact me there I see one number come on WhatsApp. Me have it and me say one of them day I go through them and I take down the voice note them and him say, dirty girl, your bad mind, Janet Fair furniture. Yeah, your mama can't walk in a Janet shoes. I'm send him a message. I'm say, you go. You see, if you ever left no more messenger, me I go call the governor and you will have to prove to the governor how me get your voice. Come with that show them say, see it there? But me never go do it. Me just tell him that film ease up half away. Me call her and me I say, Post. Me know you're going for almost 3 years now. Me ever show you no sign. Say my bad man and you and your fake but such a blood clot furniture them. Where you buy her for Alibaba, second hand. Oh, me not grudge you for them, so what you really a talk about, right? Shasta, where you tell me say, me not hold no argument with you, but me tell you the woman wicked, you know, Dr. Love. Me
So
say
she them, so, because we want to put in all of the main point them. So you say that post there with your brother. So you and your brother still a friend?
No. I be a problem, Dr. Love, 2 years now. This a go on, and when it busts out and everything, she tell her people them say, oh, what the problem? She say, you got to have 20,000 in a account, and me use 10, and she get the other 10. She has so come big back, shut about Bigfoot Erica R. Sanders, who says she was Puss friend. Me no want a friend like Uno. I better me go friend me enemy. Bam now. Erica know about, cause remember I know me never know say Puss. I tell people, you know, when me and her have because as me say, me I keep it in the family. I me no want nobody fear know. say me a push a problem on this. Me say, Dr. Love, me try me utterly best. But the woman keep on pushing and pushing, and so come Erica come and add me on Facebook. Me now like Dr. Love, me cuss all post. Remember, I know me cuss she know. Alright. You got go. Nobody now talk to you, go, you know, cause she make sure say you got drop all communication from everybody. With you. We not care, we not give a fuck. Cause my own big him and my child, me not busy if him no want to talk to me. Right. So you got go home, right? 2 weeks you got go home.
Then deport him.
Then deport him.
Okay.
When him go home, remember, I am you go next of kin. So anything you gonna do, I gonna know. So the prison call me and tell me say my brother go home at such time and so on. So cause them ask me say if I have anything for carrying female, whatever. And I say no. So when you go reach a Jamaica now, I'm there for 2 weeks. She not say nothing to him, but me know. And me them tell me not talk, you know. And me not say nothing to her, Dr. Love, because I say, you know what? Me tell her, I say, post. Me was internet friend. And me introduce her to my brother. And me see what you do. Here was for peace, real. Me now go discuss you go. I mean, why you discuss you go with me. If you call me, me will chat about anything. But me get enough for that, nothing about you go. Come here, try to make the argument dead down, you know. So she called me 2 weeks into you go the Monday. Me now forget the Monday she called me. And she did it, she start talking, oh, you go there Jamaica. And you have to see the clothes them where you go carry a Jamaica. Be this in mind, you know. This are just couple months, you know, into post meeting, you know. All of them clothes where you go have a me buy them out of the catalog for him. Him give me money and sometimes spend money too. I always treat him for his birthday. So when she on the motor clothes you go have, Dr. Love all push a talk, I quiet on the phone. When she realized me not entertain her, she come off of the phone. The Wednesday now, I go college and my mother call me. I say, oh, you go call her with puss on the phone, you know. My mother could have ear puss, you know. Dirty woman, self-fuck woman, dog shit woman, you walk and say, I cussy mother, you know. And push them on the line and laugh, you know. So when I say, mommy, me will call her back, I call her, I say, where the mama blood. Dr. Love me bring her. Puss cannot argue, you know. If you hold puss on a phone or in her face, run. Beat that a idiot. Here I'm swear, but I pick them life. Me not have nothing to do with it. Your mother come talk about my old big. Me say, why my mother go just get up out of the blues and say, your old big and your old stink. What go so? So me cuss her, she cuss me, I'm a black car and walk away. Come and blame myself. The Friday morning, me get up. Say me I go college, I want me sick. Me have 2 Facebook page. My black for one, the other one me never black her. Me go so boom now. When me look at 50 matches, me have them matches that become me a prison post. When post come back, what she do me kids them. Me go tell you what she do me kids.
So hold on, let me ask you a question. So post have papers in England?
Yeah, man, she have paper, man. Me not gonna lie, me eat her and everything. She have her indefinite.
So what she there now? What she there now?
She there Jamaica with you go. Me
with
see,
your brother?
Yes. Me see she have her permanent here. Because I never come from here and tell life and I know she have her indefinite because me see it. Oh. So you know what say when me listen to the message, Dr. Love, who start some things about me little innocent baby them. Wait there, Tanya, why?
Tanya, don't read it.
Tanya, why you call the prison and tell them you got a phone? You Nikabu come suck my wall. You have proof say me call them.
No, Tanya,
blood clot, no come out of family affair. Listen, Tanya, you know me answer she. Listen and shut the fuck up. Nobody not chat to you, dog wall. Anyway, I know I wanna honor the behind that fucking page. You come and prove it, say me call the blood clot prison.
Right.
Anyway, She left some matches for my phone and bring down my baby them. How them pussy stink. How them...
No, Tanya, remember we can't use those words.
Exactly. All right.
Yeah.
How them vagina smell. Sorry, people, because I'm very, very cross. How me picking them vagina smell. How them father rape them. All type of things. Somebody said no sound. You need to...
No, we are hear you.
Somebody else, so them not hear me. I tell them, so them need to log out and log in.
Yeah.
Just, me say she talk some things about me innocent children, them. Yeah? So same time, my friend Baby Lee, I go so boom now. Send the message them to Baby Lee and say, Baby Lee, hear this, hear Pussa bring down the baby them. Same time, Baby Lee called her and say, Pussa wagwan, oh you violate Tanya kids. Me not say nothing about the kids them. Me have to send her back a couple of the message them. That's the love, me not lie. She apologize, but me never accept that apology. Anybody will talk about my kids them, me will never accept the apology. So me tell her if she forgot take her apology, what she forgot stick it or whatever. So I saw come Erica, she come in place now. True post tell Erica say, you go bank account, it have 20,000, me take 10, and you go get the other 10 for monitor, and I eat me a war with her. So when Erica sent me a request, my accept it, Erica come in my inbox and say, she gonna put me in a one group, right? She gonna put me in a one group. So I say, okay then, no problem. When me go in the group, I say Pussy in the group, Auntie Dan, Miss Olive in the group too. Couple people when me don't know in the group. But me never interested really in the group because that morning I was very emotional. Remember I know Dr. Love, my brother they are prison for 17 and a half years, you know.
That's a long time.
And when me tell you, yeah, murder.
Where then go to jail for?
Yes, him best friend. Man, him best friend a fight and him stab him. Right?
Wow.
So you know, say, when you go prison, my mother did at jail them time they at England. So before me start look for you go, cause my brother married to one rich girl, you know, his wife was a rich girl, you know, money girl, you know, we have our business, you know. So me never did that forgive him, nothing them time because remember me they are illegal. And in them time that when you go kill him friend, nothing never go on for me. Me did pregnant and nothing not go on for me. So his wife did that sort out everything. Me never did have to worry about him because his wife have him back. So when my mother come out now out of prison now, and my mother start go look for him with him wife, him and him wife relationship tear apart, she end up divorce him, and the baby where she have for him, she give it to her sister. My brother only have one daughter, one mixed race daughter. She had to split it image. So the woman give the baby to her sister and got Barbados, remarried, and have 3 sons. So I so come now, him not nobody for look for him, and me and my mother know I look for him, It happened that my mother get deported. But 5 years into you go there prison, my mother get deported. Right. My mother said to me, Tanya, you know you gonna have nobody. So I want you take up when me left. And I said, no problem, mom. And I'm gonna tell you, say, I visit him every month. We will visit him even 3 times for the year. Because him there one far, I be a far prison, there far 3, 4 hours, 5 hours. Away from London, me I tell them that it's exhausting. More time you have to go down there, go down there the day before, book in our hotel, and then leave and go visit him and then catch back the train or catch back the coaster for come back to London. So when I tell you, say, me look out for my brother. Right. Then my little sister now, Kemar, I told you to be quiet and go back in the room. I'm on the live. Go now. So, me look out for him and everything go look for him. Me I tell you, say, then my little sister now, Chippy now and say, all right, Tanya, my turn now for take over what you did do. Because when you were going to prison, you know, she was, she did young. But then now she turned big woman now and she can take over. Go look for him. So she, every time she go look for him. And one person never go look for you. And I'm a big daughter when I'm Amanda. Because she's sickly and them type of long journey that me no carry her. But when me tell you, say, my little sister look after him. The man turned against him family because she promised him, say, Germany, you know, people, sometimes I talk and people say, my brother, him have a mental problem. Right?
That I want to get deported.
Yes, he's bipolar. I may have that on paper, so me can't go dig up the paper them. You understand? And boom now, right? Puss now, get him now, get a vulnerable young man. We spend 3/4 time life. My brother got a prison for him at 23 years old.
How much now?
How much? I think him at 44, something like that. So him spent 3/4 time young youth in incarceration. And me I tell you, we send some family picture go give him. Those family picture gave Hugo hopes that him have a family who come visit him. Let me tell you some kids them love them uncle. When you go call them fight to talk to him, them have a million things to say. And when I see my brother sit down on live with Puss and discriminate my baby them, or when them come up prison, baby, this in mind them time there, Kiara would have be about 12, 13, and Kim 5. The little boy, because my ear part 4. Yeah, and then when my other baby now, she start going, she about 3. Right? So, how them little baby there for our smelly for JJ. And him dep on the live and him talk and Puss talk some things about my kids there. Me never meet Puss in my life. Me don't know. Maybe me see her video. But me never meet her and she never meet me. And if you listen to her, she start to tell my brother, call up my brother and say, oh, me. Yesterday one you come and write up, say, how much people me send home. And oh, me call the prison for my. First of all, wanna check it. Him get 17.5 years. It up 2019. So if me the grasp on him to the governor, if them older with a phone is 6 months extra you're gonna spend.
So your brother and his mother are friend?
Me so got a part there for 2 years. Remember she started before she got Jamaica, you know. The 24th of January we gone, make it 1 year Puss go down to Jamaica. And remember said the war start from 2019. The war start. And she had it from England and then she go down. And the same blood please up Scott night Puss reach. I'm telling you, the woman obsession over me. When Puss reach at Jamaica, me get a car say, Puss live and she there at Jamaica. Me say, yeah. And same time I on the phone, it bury them and they make me hear the live cause me no watch Puss, me no watch her. So one time as she reaching at the yard, from airport and she reaching her yard, me hear Puss say, call your brother Christopher. Call him on the phone. The woman do ever drop her bag and beard and fresh up, you know. She said, call your brother. So same time now. She press her live, you know, and I tell him for call, you know. So him go so boom now and call Christopher. Christopher open the Christopher answer, but you see that night there, Christopher sit down in a my mother have a recliner chair, and sometimes my mother have diabetic and high blood pressure. Most of the time, he will go in there, go sleep in the recliner, and whereas he just say her head at hurt her, he will go in there. So my mother and him did already dead. So me and my brother, you know. My brother say, "What go on them depend." My wife reach, you know, you don't know man a top man, you know. And she barely say hi to Christopher. Christopher say hello and big up yourself and what come my brother them, you know. My rest of brother them are quiet, decent brother them, you know. So now You go start class, my mother. And Christopher turned to him and said to him, said that Christopher never know same day on live, you know. Dog, I want to dog. Where you want, what wrong with you go? Where you want me to kill my mother? Treat my mother bad like oh yeah, treat her. So same time he call my mother phone inside and say, Mommy, you got have Christopher on live. And him not know. And mommy start tell Christopher and Christopher hang up the phone and said, John was star. How I do that man yeah? Yeah, tell you she not reach, could not second down, you know, the way the woman go down to Jamaica with vengeance in her heart. So she claims sick because she depend on her life 3 days ago. And she said she not stop tell you go lie. And she not stop make confusion, contention in her, the family, but a lie you tell Puska we no count you. Nothing where you do, not hurting. Me and my mother.
So she and the brother, no, she and the brother still, she and your brother still the same way.
She and him still there, Jamaica. You see the picture them? Yeah, back to the picture them. The picture them when me send, I never me send them, and mommy send them, go give him. You don't know, say she work witchcraft and life, Dr. Love. She dig all. Remember, you know, it's not, we are push related, you know. So the picture, them, and then, remember, you know, them eat that girl, we are full of una fool and una go shame. Remember me tell you this. If you got it eat me and him mother so bad as how him say him eat with, why him still have the photo of them? I keep Dr. Love. Why him have the family photo? My mother, me, my kids them, my brother them, even Manda. My daughter fiance, they depend on the picture too. Because when they go down River Fall, and we take the picture and send go give him. So if you go eat we so much, you go would have destroyed the picture them long time. Right. Then was supposed 2-3 weeks ago because she now, all right, let me get that one there. One mother woman upper where she there. You know the mother woman them were one and did. The mother woman no stop going a pussy yard. And upon death, you go if you don't repent and go beg your mother forgiveness, death gonna reach you. We them time them you don't know what going on, you know. You don't know nothing about that, you know. So you don't know say him go down at the sea, you know, half of you see out there so it's rough. Him go down at the sea and nearly dead, nearly drowned.
That's your brother.
That time my brother I think it was in the early part of December. Him last year nearly drowned. I don't know what say, right? Them have to rush him. Hospital go pump out him belly. And the mother woman come back again and make him know say what he is doing to his family. Only death I go reach him and he need to stop. And this thing, somebody's gonna die. You hear where push company live and say one day, them time they know. Him no Joe get fit him no almost dead, you know. Here I know. Anybody like you gotta say this will stop cause somebody I got dead. Here anybody I got dead in this your mama, your sister. Oh we for dead. We not do nothing bad.
So suppose say your mother and your sister got dead.
Yes, cause the mother woman I tell him said death. So Bam now God give him a second chance now. For him go, you know, go look for him mother and beg him mother forgiveness. So him end up now me there am here session live. Alright. Him say I go visit him mother. Him did I ring my mother first. My mother no answer no call. Mother said she not answer because I think in a November, last year November, him ring my mother and I cry and I say him sorry and him want to come home and all type of shit. My mother say, you want me to send out someone care for you? When him call my mother, you know, my mother could have hear her there. Your mother hate you. You bring down your mother, your family, and not nobody. So my mother hear her and say that. You could have sent angry sign and all that. You can't do, you can't shut my mouth.
No
anyway, no, bam, no, right? If my mother say, you want me to send a taxi for you? Him say, yes. So when my mother send the man, the guy named Ray, to go pick up, you go, pussy lock up the door with him clothes and him document and everything. So him, because him and the taxi guy grew up together. So him said to Ray, say, Ray, me we give you a call. $5,000, you know. My mother pay for Ray. Go pick him up, you know, and him don't go, you know. And him call my mother. But what get her upset? She thinks so when my mother answer the phone, my mother they go say, dirty boy, no call me phone. But my mother answer him, which is my mother is a good mother. And my mother go always love her son. Them say, oh, me and my mother pay a man to kill all type of things. So you know, say, but no, from that, because when the mother answer him, I say, all right, you go, all right, my son. And he say, mommy, me think you eat me. And she say, oh, me for eat my belly pain.
Oh, hold on, Tanya, me not cut you. Hold on, Tanya, hold on. All right, Tanya, hold on, Tanya.
Yeah?
Stay right there, man. I'll come back. Let me run the commercial and come right back here. Stay right
All
there.
right.
All right, man. All right, hold on. People, may I go back to Tanya, but may I have to run the commercial because this hour is sponsored. Let me find the lady who just sent me commercial. This hour is sponsored by, may I make she come on? We have to run the commercial and may I go back to Tanya. May I add her, look at the bottom of the page. I'm adding the person right now. Look at the bottom of the page and accept the request. The person we asked for the request, look at the bottom of the page and accept the request. I'm adding you. In the meantime, until she come on, we'll go back to Tanya. But in the meantime, if you're out there and you want to buy your pocketbook, we have the pocketbook them, right? I have the good pocketbooks them, lady. Until that person come on, we're gonna go back to Tanya. But we have to run commercial break. So ladies, I have the good pocketbooks right here. If you're looking for the good pocketbooks them, here's the case right here. Send me a request, miss. I'm trying to hide it, but you're not accepting the request. Here's the box. Here's the good pocketbooks. If you're looking for the good pocketbooks, WhatsApp me at the bottom of the page. This comes with it. Send me back a request again that I could go back into Tanya because we want to hear where I go on. Person send me a request. Okay, let me try that. Look at the bottom of the page and accept the request. Just WhatsApp me and this could be yours. At the bottom of the page, you have to accept the request. You have to accept the request, right? You have to accept the request. She's not accepting. Ladies, I have the good pocketbooks over here. I have the good pocketbooks over here. Accept the request at the bottom of the page. It's at the bottom of the page. We have to run commercial break, people, because people have sponsored the show, and we have to make sure I have the good pocketbooks over here, right? Ladies, you have to get at the bottom of the page. She's not accepting the request. Send the request and accept. Let me try to call her on the phone. And if you want to run a commercial break, people, let me call her on the phone. If you want to run a commercial break, I call her on the phone because we have to run commercial break. May I call her on the phone because she not. Hello? Yeah, can you hear me? Oh, your phone is. Call me straight. Your phone is. Call me straight. Call me straight. Yeah, we're not hearing now. So people, okay. Number until she call me straight. Number 14. If you want number 14, I got number 14 right here. Number 14. This is number 14. All you have to just call and tell me the number. While that lady calling, and I will go back to Tanya. This is number 25. Number 25. Number 25. Right here, this is number 25. Right? Number 7. All you have to just call and tell me the number. Number 7. Oh, here's the lady calling. Number 7. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I'm saying every time I try to link it just cut off.
Okay, you're live right. I don't know. You're live right now, so everybody's hearing. What's going on? I want you to tell us a little bit about your business and what your business is about and how people can find you.
It's about like beauty products like lip gloss, what we call lip food, and I make all of them myself.
Right.
And lip scrub and all stuff like that. I said lashes, keychains, mask, and stuff like that. You can go over to the website and you want to sign up or whatever.
So you sell lashes and you sell lip gloss that you manufacture yourself pretty much, and
Yes.
then and what else do you sell?
I'm gonna sell the lip scrub, like the scrub your lip, pick your strip lip or dark lip or stuff like that. I make those myself too.
Oh, you sell scrubs. So some of the ladies will have the crusty
Dry
lip,
lip
the
them,
dry lip
yes.
them and so forth. We have something can scrub and the phone man. We have kiss woman them and cut up their lip. She have scrub foot on the mouth. You understand? Cause if on the mouth not soft, the girls don't want to kiss
They don't
them.
want them. And guess what? In 1 week, I promise you will see difference in your lip. Once you follow the step, I use the scrub and then use the glass at night, the clear one. In 1 week, the man will start kissing up.
So you try to tell me, if a man on the page right now and you have rough lip like rough foot, you have the right remedy for help him with the lip
Yes,
that they
I
say.
have the man, especially them smoke and dry and sticky and stuff there. Yeah.
Yeah, and the girls them are complain say them get cut up everywhere.
Yes, cut up everywhere, right?
Yeah.
That will stop them from getting cutting up and tooth up and everything there.
Right.
Smooth off the lip, we have to keep on the lip smooth, not because of our man. Come on now.
So what is your Facebook page and your Instagram page and your website where they could go and hold on before you give it up. So people, she's advertising her business. It's a black owned business, right?
Yeah.
And it's a legit business and so forth. And all your ladies that's watching me, I want you to go support her and so forth, right? And so give them your website name and how they can get in touch with your business.
Yeah, my website is www.seeshellygetit.com. It's SEESHELLYGETIT.com.
So seeshelly.com.
SeeshellyGetIt.com. GETIT. So I'm gonna get it.com. We'll make sure so I'm gonna get it.
Okay. And then what is your phone number for that? If there's a phone number they could get in touch with you?
Yeah, the business phone number, they could get me on WhatsApp or straight. It's 718-930-9518.
Right.
And when they go on the website, they see a 3 line. They have to click on the 3 line and it show you the click on the category. Or if you want to sign up, you click on there and sign up.
Right. And how long does it take to ship out something?
Yeah, 2-day shipping, 3-day, whatever you choose, however you want to get the shipping, it will be on the website. Like if you want fast, you can the 2-day or 1-day. Whatever you pay for, that's what you get.
Right. Okay, so give me the name of the business again.
It's Seeshelly.
Seeshelly.
The website is seeshellygetit.com.
Okay. All right. So people, I want you to go check out our page right now. Get the lip gloss and the phone with rough lip.
Rasta woman can wear it because I have a Rasta lip gloss, red, green, and gold.
So you have lip gloss for Rasta people too.
Yes, very natural product, natural oil. Me pay money for my oil, natural product and stuff like that.
And Rasta them not like mix up in certain things,
I know exactly, so that's why I tell them it's a red, green, and gold one. The Rasta lip gloss have vitamin D and then something there. So like I say, if you don't look dry, come soothe it down and clean off the crust off of it. Yeah.
Okay. All right. So people, you hear it from her, right? Please go and support her and so forth. And I will, if you go on my page, you will see the stuff on my page, people. You can get in touch with our website. Go and get your lip gloss and so forth. And nothing want to run and buy from company when you don't know. Support no one.
Yes, and let me tell them too, if you ever see any lip gloss out there for 99 cents or $1.99, I promise you, no, that's not the real oil I use for my lip. I must say pig oil and I use. I don't know about the I don't know how them buy it for them product and make them, and it's so cheap.
Right.
No,
So you have the rest, and you ship everywhere. Do you ship everywhere?
Huh?
You ship everywhere?
Yeah, I have to Jamaica, Canada, and all over the US.
Okay, good. Okay, good. All right. So people go and check out our website and give out your website one more time again, please.
It's www.cshelleygetit.com. That's SEESHELLYGETIT.com.
All right. Thank you very much, and then we'll talk more again, okay?
All right, then, yes.
All right, thanks. All right, people, you know, so I have to run. You know, me have got in a Tanya, but me have to run commercial break. So, ladies, that's watching. Let me tell you something. This show is called Talk Truth. If you don't like what's going on, log off and come back another time. But at the same time, let me show you what's going on over here, and then I'll go let Tanya send me back a link. 55. No, let's make this very clear. If you live in the United States of America, $20 for shipping in the US. If you live out of the, this is number 88 right here. Number 88 right here. Number 88. Right? I'll give you all the numbers. This is number 50. Number 50. You like it? It can be yours. Nice Chanel. Number 50. Right here. Number 50. Right here. Check your WhatsApp. I will. Christine King. I will check my WhatsApp. Somebody to check my WhatsApp. Let me check my WhatsApp. Okay. Now, number 21. Number 21 right here. Let me check my WhatsApp. Number 21. If you like it, all you have to do is tell me the number. Right? Peter Allen. Somebody named Peter Allen on the page. Peter Allen. I think you should send your mama to jail first. Send your mama and your whole generation to jail, okay? Send your mama and your daddy and your whole generation to jail first. I soon search you and block your drunk girl. This is number 12. If you like number 12, it can be yours. Number 12. Number 12 right here. If you like number 12, make it be yours. Number 12. Peter Allen, wait till I done. I'm going to fix your business nice. Just wait. Stay right there, man. I'm going to fix your business. Don't worry yourself. Stay there. Number 10. If you like number 10, you can have number 10. You can have number 10. I'm supposed to bring immigration tonight, people. But the page is so festive. I don't want to bring immigration in this. Number 15. Number 15. If you like number 15, number 15. You like a number at the bottom of the page, WhatsApp me. Number 15. Number 15. Number 15. Number 8. Number 8. Oh. You like number 8, you can have number 8. Number 8. Number 8. Number 8. Number 8. Number 5. Number 5. Number 5. This could be yours. Number 5. Number 5. Number 35. Number 35. Number 35. Right here. Number 35. Number 35. Because the person named Peter Allen can't even afford the plastic bag, much less. Because them there somewhere waste time. Number 99. Number 99. Number 99. Right here. 99. Just say the number and it be yours. Number 44. Number 44. Peter Allen can bring immigration. Can. Remember black Peter. Peter Allen, bye. Yeah, that get black. That won't talk again. Just black him. He ain't gone. What an embarrassment. He can't even get the comment. Number 44. Number 44. Hey, man, love how you can black people on the page, you know, you just black them, then have a talk again. Okay. Number is the belt, here's the bag. Hold on. What number is this? I'll tell you the number in a minute. Number 77. Number 77. Number, and the strap is very long. Number 77. Number 77. Here's the long strap. Number 77. Number 77. The strap is long. Number 77. This could be yours. Both of these could be yours. Number 77. The best quality you will ever get. Number 77. You know I gotta run commercial break. It's not all about hearing people business. Number 77. Right? You can get the belt and the bag. Number 77. This number now. Number 77. What number is this? Number 11. Number 11. Number 11. Number 11. Number 11. Very nice. Number 11. It could be yours. Number 11. Put it back in the bag. We're not wasting no time around here. Number 11. Number 11. Goes back over here. Let's go back to the numbers. What number is this? Let's tell the number. Number 88. Number 88. And you could have the slippers too with it. Number 88. Number 88. Number 88. You can have the slippers. Number 88. Right here. Number 88. Number 88. See, they walk me to yourself. Very big and nice. Number 88. Number 88. It could be yours. Number 88. Number 88. And if you buy, if you also get something tonight, you will get a chance to get a shirt if I have your size. I have the Dr. Love shirt right here. I have the Dr. Love shirt. So, Donna, what's up, darling? Where have you been? You will get the shirt. You will get a Dr. Love shirt. Get a chance to get a Dr. Love shirt. Hold on. And you could get this. You could get the wallet also, if you like. And if you want the LV, if you want the LV wallet, right, you can have the LV wallet. I'm going to go down to number 200. Number 200. Check this. Bam. Number 200. You can have the wallet. You can have the bag. Right? Number 88. I can't mess up about later. Number 88. Number 88. Number 200. Sorry. Number 200. Number 200 right here. You can have the wallet. You can have this by itself. It's very big. Right? Here it is. Very, very big. Right? Can you unblock Peter, please? Peter. I don't know who Peter is. Oh, Peter get black, man. Peter gone. Peter now no come back. Peter now no come back. And ladies, please, when you WhatsApp me, don't WhatsApp me for credit, because I do not do credit. It's called cash and carry. I do not do credit and I do not do layaway. Please. You can have this one too, if you like. You could have this one. Very nice. Nice wallet. All the compartment. Right? See everything. Right? Please do not WhatsApp me and ask me for credit or layaway. I do not do credit and layaway. Please. Right? I do not do credit and I do not do layaway. Nice. Everything is over here for you. Right? Glasses. Nice. Nice Chanel glasses. Check it. And guess what happened? I can make a living style. Check this out. Check this out. You can have this. The glasses and the slippers match. The glasses and the slippers match. The glasses and the slippers match. Not even down payment. Not even down payment. Not even food stamp. The glasses and the slippers match. Right here. Your living style, ladies. I have what you need. And I take Zelle. I take Cash App. I take PayPal. And I take Western Union. Yes. Tomorrow I have to ship to England and I have to ship to Canada. Yes. And look at this beautiful box here. Beautiful. You got the strap, you can hold it. Beautiful. Look how beautiful it is. Then you want to see what's inside of it? Let's put it on right here. Open the box. And ladies, look. Look at this, ladies. Look at it. Look at it. Look at this. Here's the bag it come in. Here's the bag. Look at this. Right? Right here. And not only that too. Look inside of this. You get this little purse with it. This comes with it. Everything comes with it. Okay. Put it back in here. And then this comes with a little strap. It have a little strap. Here's a strap. You can strap on here also. Every girl have one of this right now. Right? Put it inside the bag. Bam. Goes back in the box. Right here. And I close it. Now, ladies. Right here. If you like to do shoplifting, if you like to travel on a plane, look. Nice, big and nice. Living style. Very nice. The quality is unbelievable. Chris, don't sell that one. Ah, God, come here. Come here, nobody stress me out tonight. Come here. Nobody stress me out tonight. Yes, right here. Come here, these are your styles. See here, not only that too. You get this with it too. You get this and you get a Dr. Love shirt with it. As long as I have your size. I have it right here. Put it back in the bag. Ready to go. Valentine's is coming. Living live.